Okay, hello everyone. This is Younglim at HTML for beginners. Today we're gonna learn about basic HTML. First, let me give you what HTML is. HTML is known as hypertext markup language. So this is not programming language. Okay, so this is not a programming language. Okay, and then this is used for web design. Okay, like a web decoration. Make a website. Okay, for others. And notice how this one is a markup language. So this is not the same as programming language in a way that you see the markup in some programming like Java or C or C++. They are object-oriented programming, OOP. Object-oriented programming. So you can program games, clips. Well, not clips exactly. Well, you can if you want. If you use a server like JSP or something or SP, but we're not gonna go into that stuff. So these are game programming, right? Or server, almost. Let me make a question mark because we are not going to detail about the server. Whereas HTML that we're gonna learn today, besides HTML, we have JavaScript. Okay. Now, some of you might wonder what's the difference between Java and JavaScript. JavaScript is like a script for web design. Like even though it has the word Java inside, notice like here the word Java and the word Java inside. Basically, Java came from copy. Yeah, just kidding. I don't know. So even though it has Java inside, the word Java inside, it's pretty different. And we have CSS, Cascade. This is if I remember correctly, Cascade. Cascade styles, right? Cascade. Also known as CSS. Like JavaScript, it's just a word. But HTML, okay, so JavaScript is just a word, whereas CSS and HTML is an abbreviation. HTML is hypertext markup language right here. And CSS is right here. Cascade style. So keep that in mind. we are going to use we are going to use these ones and not above. Okay, because above is too advanced. So let's see. Okay, so that's the basic overview of what we're gonna learn in this. Okay, so HTML. One second. So here's HTML. This we have HTML. We start with HTML, of course. Why do we have this markup? Okay. Yes, that's another difference in Java or C or C++. So we don't have a markup. See, this one is markup, right? Markup is because this every line starts with tag. So every line starts with a tag. Now, what does that mean? Okay, so this is a open tag, and this is a closing tag, right? Open tag and closing. And what close has ing and open doesn't. And so anyway, start open tag. But to make the starting tag, you use open like that, open tag and something, and then you close the something, and then notice how I use this backslash and back, and you end with that. So the difference is one has backslash tag backslash and the other doesn't. Okay, so one that does have a backslash inside the tag is string tag. Okay, so this one, the first one is first tag, first. Oh yeah, and before I go into more detail, let me kind of remind you of this. So this is start tag. Okay. Yeah, I guess open as ing. Yeah, my bad. And this. Oh, what the heck? What the frick is that? Come on, man. So, okay. Is ending tag. Okay. So, and in between each tag is known as element. Ooh, context. Or if you go to some site that teaches you about HTML, they don't exactly mention about context. They do, however, mention element because that's basic knowledge or what to what is what and what is what. So you have a stem tag, then you have element, and you finish with the ending tag. But the context, that's, well, what the heck? Okay, that's what I want to use is so element or context. So whenever I say context, just to understand that I'm talking, I'm talking as element. Okay, I'm saying element. Okay, now you know that. So let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this and let's put it right on the top because we want to put everything. We want to put everything on the screen so that you can able to see what's going on. So HTML. So HTML, you start with HTML. It's simple, right? Obviously. And then we end it with the backslash HTML to indicate that this is where you end the line, where you end the HTML script. HTML script. Okay, HTML script. Okay, whatever. And then after that you have heading. You know how sorry guys, if you go to